Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be making a Silksong lightbox. Silksong came out about a week ago and I really wanted to make a lightbox for it. And I haven't really got to play it yet, but I watched a few videos and I found the cutest little guy ever, the bell beast. So I wanted to make a lightbox of him. So let's just get right into it. Before we get into this video, I just wanted to say that I have my Patreon account with some templates up. People have been asking how to make my projects, so I've decided to make templates of some of my work. I'm going to turn this Bell Beast one into a template as well, if you want to check it out and show some support. The link will be in the description. I wanted to show you guys how you can finish up these projects if you make them at home. You can easily make the paper foam board part, but the box is a little tricky. If you want to make a simpler light box, you can get a shadow box from Hobby Lobby. They have different kinds of dimensions, but this one here is 8 by 10 inches. And this can fit about 3 to 4 layers if you use 1/2 inch thick foam board. So that's what I'm going to be using today for this light box. I'm going to keep this pretty simple. The first layer is going to be a foreground layer of bells. The middle layer is going to be the bell beast with Hornet and more bells. And then the last layer is going to be a wall of bells. So I go and I sketch out all of the layers. Then I go and I cut out all of the layers. It's a little tricky to cut out all these tiny little details and it's time consuming, but a lot of time you can just mindlessly work, which is fun. So I take turns going back and forth through all the layers, cutting out the little gaps between all of the bells. Then I go onto the second layer and cut the details into the bell beast and Hornet. I use a knife to cut along the lines of the details of the body, and that really brings it to life, and I go and I do that on all of the layers as well. I use a little bit of cardstock to make the eyes of Hornet and the bell beast. And then lastly, to cover the gaps so nothing shows through, I glue a piece of sketching paper over the very last layer to cover all those holes. Then I get some foam board and I cut 8 strips, and then I assembled this light box. To put it all together, I take my shadow box and remove this backing from it because that's unnecessary. Then I slide in the completed light box until it touches the glass at the bottom. I get some LED light strips. I found these for $5 at Walmart. They're pretty easy to find anywhere. And I stuff it in the back. I cut a little hole in the bottom corner of the backing so I can feed out the LED strip and plug it in, and then I put the back on. And that's it! Now I can turn it on, plug it in, and light up the whole thing. It's all really, really simple. So yeah, that's it for this light box. It's pretty simple, pretty fun. I really like Silksong. I haven't got to play it yet, but from what I've seen it looks really fun. And yeah, I used an orangey yellow LED for this to match the bronze of the bells, and yeah, here's the finished product. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, comment below of what you would like to see next, and I will see you next time. Bye!